Hello students, this is the teacher Padma. In the previous video, you learned about the golden rules of accounting. Today, you will be doing the basic accounting terminology. A commerce student must clearly understand the basic accounting terms which are daily used in the business world. In this video, I am going to discuss some of the basic accounting terms. The amount invested in a business by its owners is known as capital. It may be in the form of money or assets having money value. Capital is also known as the owner's equity or net worth. Net worth means the difference between the total assets and outside liabilities. Liability means the amount which a business firm owes to outsiders. Liabilities represent the claims of those who are not the owners. These are the debts or amounts owed to creditors. Liabilities may be current or fixed. Current liabilities are repayable within a year. Trade creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, outstanding expenses, etc. are the examples of current liabilities. Fixed capital are repayable after a long period of time. Debentures and long-term loans are the examples of fixed liabilities. Contingent liability is also another type of liability which shall become payable on the happening of particular event. For example, the firm has given a guarantee for a loan taken by another firm. Our firm shall be liable to pay loan to the bank only when the other firm does not pay the loan. Asset means anything which enables the firm to get a cash or benefit in the future. Assets are equal to the sum of capital and liabilities. There are various types of assets. Fixed assets are required for use over a long period of time and not for resale. They are used for production and supply of goods or services. Land and buildings, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures are the example of fixed assets. Current assets are required for resale or conversion into cash as soon as possible. Cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, stock in hand are the examples of current assets. Liquid assets or current assets are those assets which can be converted into cash at a very short notice and without risk of loss. Cash in hand, cash at bank, government securities are the examples of liquid assets. Tangible assets are those assets which are having a physical existence. They can be seen, touched and felt. Example, plant and machineries. Intangible assets are those assets which have no physical existence. They cannot be seen, touched or felt. Example, goodwill and patents. Fictitious assets are those assets which have no value. They represent the unwritten off expenses or losses. Example, preliminary expenses, discount on issue of shares, etc. Revenue means the receipt or return received by the firm. It is the sum of money received or to be received from the customers or clients of a business as a result of sale of goods and services to them. Expenses is the monetary value of inputs or resources consumed. Expenses means the cost or sacrifice incurred for earning revenue. There are few more accounting terms which I'll be discussing in the next video.